Good morning, bird nerds. Hashtag first seen and heard report, Monday 26th of September. Of course, first heard was the European blackbird singing valiantly and tunefully and beautifully all night outside my window, but I'm over it. It's hard to get enough sleep with him going, even with the World Service on all night in my ear as well. First seen Australian magpie in the park here as soon as I walked out the door, and also as soon as I walked out the door, a red wattlebird squawked at me. So that's the honourable mention for first heard this morning. Don't miss the birdemergency.com/live at midday today, Australian Eastern, talking citizen science projects with Michelle Neal from the Citizen Science Association of Australia. Have a great day, bird nerds. Bye.